वेलकम बैक गाइस, वेलकम टू द न्यू व्लॉग। ये यहाँ का हनी गार्डन है। तेकड़ी को जाते हुए रास्ते में ये हमें देखने को मिलता है। यहाँ पे हनी के बारे में आपको सारी जानकारी मिल जाएगी। हनी मीन्स शहद। शहद किस तरह कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होता है, कैसे बनता है, कौन सा हनी सबसे बेस्ट होता है, कौन सा हनी किस काम के लिए होता है, कैसे कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे गार्लिक हनी, चिली हनी, अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स के हनी के बारे में बताते हैं। एंड एट द एंड उन्हें बेचने के लिए उनके पास नेचुरल हनी के कुछ पाउचेस होते हैं, वो हमें बताते हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन।
The world's best honey and which country is famous?
No.
इंडिया।
Manuka honey. Have you heard Manuka? The New Zealand is very famous for Manuka honey. Once in 2 years we extract 4 times double nutrition than a normal honey. Kindly just take half teaspoon, which will keep you away from the doctor itself, is Manuka honey. And we have rock honey. Rock honey is this big giant bee. So one bee is stinking, the tribal peoples will be no more. They'll shoot an arrow from long distance and have a damage in the comb. Only they cannot collect the honey. Here also during season, completely face mask, blouse, whole over body, romper, and give a coconut shell smoke, which is very light. Only then they'll remove the honey, not directly at all. So the abbreviation of HONEY. H is for health, O is for abstract, N is for nutrition, E is for energy, Y is for youth. That's why the celebrities keep on using honey. Honey is healthy, honey is beauty. Honey onto the hair with the raw milk, world's best conditioner. Honey onto the face, pleasant look. Honey inside eyes, good for eyesight. Honey, you can brush your teeth. Those who have tampering in the tongue can put honey onto the tongue. Those teeth are not in proper level, they can, instead of clip, they can put honey to massage and to bring it in a normal position. You can wash your hand with honey. Even today, the Egyptians store the mummies into honey, which doesn't get decay. Honey is a brain booster. Honey is a good healer. The world's best therapy is honey. The reason is honey is always antibiotic, which is directly going to the blood, not to the body. Sometimes I may say I have a diabetes. How can I take honey? That's a sugar. Exactly what these bees are bringing from the flower is the sweet substance glucose. They will take to their abdomen, get digested, bring back to their own comb here, and they will seal by the wax, goes into glycogen. As you know very well, glycogen is a content which is there in the blood. Even the diabetes patient can take quantity of honey. Only that is the difference what we human society have here.
Okay.
Fine, I have a comb of bee honey. Will get crystal if our weather is minus to 16 to 17. Honey will get crystal. Please don't put in the fridge, just put in the room temperature. Why don't you cover this here? If you take in hot water, the quality of honey we will lose. Okay? Alright. So more you store, more organic is honey, no expiry. Fine. So the comb of a bee is a serum which is coming from the bee's back body. 12 to 18 months babies bees makes this. Since it's a wax, we can make a candle. They use it in a hardware. They make a shoe polish, furniture polish. They use it in a medical purpose to make the capsules, the clothing and all. They use it in a cosmetic and all. We make a good cream called bees wax as a moisturizer, sunscreen, burns, rashes, wounds, lips. We make a hair gel with virgin coconut oil. You can apply it onto your hair to make your hair grow or to make your hair smoothing also is good. So can we just observe the bees which is entering inside is got yellow granule on its leg. Is the flower's pollen, the natural protein. Those ligamentless, those who are going to for sports or gym, those body DNA to grow, the child wants to grow tall and all, you can take nature's natural protein. We have in the form of pouch 1.2 gram of protein in 1 granule. You can put it in a milk, coffee, tea, any form like Complan Horlicks you can take. Fine. We cannot tell the lifespan of these bees. Any moment they'll die. So if queen bee dies, there is no honey. That's why he says she doesn't take honey at all. What she takes in is the worker bee has got a serum on its forehead which will completely drop down. That is a milk food of her. By taking this, her lifespan goes to 5 to 6 years. So the apiculture is proof that human being consuming these capsules, we make into the remove the serum and make in the form of capsules called royal jelly capsules. Have any of you from Mauritius here? What is royal jelly?
No.
Royal jelly? Yes, we will not explain. Yes, we will not explain because you people, because Indians are not aware at all. Indians doesn't know. In India it is used by all celebrities, that is the film stars. To maintain their youth, to maintain their beauty, I hope they have to be perfect in the field without any sort of problems. Do you know the master gland of the body which is next to the brain? brain, mustard gland. Mustard gland is not working, arthritis, spondylitis, cholesterol, hair fall, diabetes, kidney, hormone, whatever. Royal jelly stimulates your master gland also is pituitary gland. Pituitary is not working, I get all these problems. So pituitary also works by taking royal jelly. Royal jelly will be more expensive, more than 15 to 20,000 outside what you get. But here it is very affordable since it is organic. It is very best. The guests who come from Malaysians, Europeans like Mauritians or Saudis and all, we will not explain because we will learn from them what is royal jelly.
Okay.
So we have Indian bees, we have India honey, we have forest bees, we have world's best honey Manuka. These are Italian bees.
Okay.
We will see the world's best honey. These are red bees. Red bees in the sense that these bees honey will be thick and dark in color. The guests who come from Saudi, you know, no? Saudi, those who speak Arab. Their honey is always the desert honey, that is the thick honey, dates honey. So for them, we will give this honey. So our Indian honey will be very delicate, very thick. The world's best honey is Manuka honey. She is stingless bee or little bee. She collects honey only from herbal plants. All Ayurvedic plants, like a steamery, that is touch me not, tulsi, all basils and all. Since it is, I will explain about her, then later we'll tap onto the hive, we will see the bees and go in now if they do. We'll exactly stick to our hair or go to our ears, nose and all. You can see the bees are flying here itself. See
Yes.
all this tiny, see here, in front of our eyes.
If you are.
See there. And this time. See. You can see there. Since such herbal, we will remove 1 kilo of this bird's eye chili, this one. It's called bird's eye chili. In India, Assam is very famous. Sir, please come forward. You can come here. Madam, sir. You saw the bees? You see. We will remove 1 kilo of bird's eye chili and store into 5 liters of honey and keep for 45 days. Not into this honey jar. And density of honey is more, it will absorb. You kindly take after 45 days, it turns into chili honey. You take chili honey which will keep our blood in dilute. If our blood is kept in dilute, can you kindly tell me from which problem will be safe? So, stocks. One more main thing. Stock is due to high BP. The main thing, blood खून पतले में रखेगा. Cholesterol, excellent. Free from cholesterol, no heart attack, blockage. Or to reduce our excess fat also. So you know what is pomegranate, madam? Red color fruit. We try to take the seed of the anar, which has got 1% hemoglobin, 99 is onto the covering what we throw in. 1:3. 1 kilo pomegranate in 5 liters of a honey jar we will store and keep. Density of honey is more, it will absorb. You know very well, ladies who wants 12 to 13% of hemoglobin, fatahat it is used with hemoglobin, anemia, immunity, any sort of ladies monthly issues like PCOD and all, or if menopausal is stopped or ladies gets lot of issues, you can take pomegranate honey. That is the same thing I gave as spice honey. So that is a tulsi, that is a pepper, the tipli, all into the honey, good for lungs problem, respect. In that way, we have 10 types of flavored honey prepared by the world's best honey. Okay. So our honey is free from glucose. To be very honest, it's only glycogen. So if you compare the price with Dabur, Patanjali and all, no, that is very much different. This is organic honey, not a Dabur or not a branded honey. So any questions, please? Any doubts, you can check with me, please. All restaurants put honey in their cooking. That's why the food is rich in taste also. Honey can be used in any part, anywhere, internal and external, any part of the body. You can take inside, you can use it in any cooking, you can use it in a dessert and all, you can use it in a coffee, tea, any part, you can use it in a cakes. We use the spices honey for pancakes and all. Garlic honey we have, it is good for like mayonnaise. We get a ready-made mayonnaise now, no? Instead of that. Or you can use it in a salad, sandwich and all, rich in flavor.
Okay.
Yeah, please come.
Hope you like the video and the information. Now they will take to their shop. Like there is a place where we have all the, whatever they have suggested, they have said, they have their varieties of honey collected in some packets and all, I guess. So we didn't buy anything, but if you people interested, you can go there. Okay, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.